In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, very good morning. How are you today? Absolutely fantastic. You're loud and clear, and it pleases me a lot because you are full of life, full of exuberance in the morning. All right, so let's start talking about today's topic. And today's topic is teachers. My teacher, in fact. You're possessive about the teachers. You're talking about not generally teachers, my teacher. All right, before talking about my teacher, you will have to say a few words about teachers in general. Teachers and parents, they play the similar kind of role. A very significant role, of course, because they give you attention for making you someone great. They want to make you disciplined. They want to make you successful in life. Both of them. And parents are also like teachers in the beginning because the first education is given in the lap of the mother. So if the mother is playing her role positively, so child will start learning. Even if the child is not born yet, he starts learning from his parents, especially from her mother. All right, so talking about teachers, teachers are also spiritual parents. So the role is a lot more, similar. They play a very important role in the development of the child's personality. All right. So today we will just be talking about all that stuff about the teachers in general. What is the social output, or rather input in the beginning of the children, and how at the end of the day, teachers are going to contribute in the development of the society, as a matter of fact. So I'm going to invite you one by one. You're going to give the presentation. So a big round of applause for everybody who comes here for giving the presentation.
Assalamu alaikum, good morning. My name is Sumayya, and today my presentation topic on my teacher. It is a great honor for me to share a few words about our teachers and their profound impact on our life. We see our school as our second home. In this home, our teachers are just like our parents, guiding us with wisdom. Our teacher hasn't just filled our mind with knowledge but also shape our personality, character with their kindness and patience. They push us to always believe that even something is hard. Great teachers make things possible. They teach us to read, to write, to question, to solve, to be compassionate, to be a great citizen. They believe that it's okay to fail and even to make mistakes. You achieve your goal with consistent hard work and dedication. One of the lessons I learned from my teacher is that living the life we want required not only doing the right thing but also required we stop doing the wrong thing that take us off track. Our teacher fired the light of wonder, imagination, and they keep this flame alive for students who are getting lost. I am incredibly fortunate to have been a great teachers who mold my education. One of them I would like to highlight Sir Anis Saqib, who has been a great mentor and educator and its influence has great impact on my English language.
Good morning everyone. Today I will talk about the most important topic about teachers. Teachers play a very essential and significant role in our life, such as a guidance, guru, learning instructors and tutors and mentors. Teachers impart the crucial and the significant roles in our lives, and they give us the valuable life learning lessons. Teachers are the backbone of our education systems, and they play a vital role in shaping the mind and building character of our education systems for the next generations. Teachers motivate the students and inspire the students and guide the students to fulfill their basic needs, and they are the ones who to solve the problems, and he want to see the students in a very successful manners. A good teachers help the students in a very effective ways, and they perform better in every solutions. Teachers. My best teacher is an exemplary educator who has an indelible mark on my personal educations and my academics careers. They dedicates and patience with wisdoms, and they create a supportive learning environments and that make to complex sentence in very easy way. And their dedications and their patience and with a passion for the teaching, making the impact personalities for the students' life. In the last, a good teacher is like a guiding lights, and is like to rise the sun that come to fill the empty minds, and that come to fill the empty minds with the help of the light and the darkness of the educations.
Stop.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zainab and today my topic is my teacher. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful, who is the most beneficent and most merciful,
Yes, keep on speaking, please.
I'm little bit confused.
No problem, don't worry about that. No issues.
Teachers are the influencer of our life. They can change our life. It cannot be changed by no one. Sir,
Yes.
I cannot speak.
Yes, please.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zainab. I am starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Today my topic is my teacher. What I am today, I dedicated it to my parents and my teachers. Teachers are the blessings of Allah. The teaching is the profession which is provided from Allah. Teaching is the profession of our holy prophets, who is the messengers, who can taught us the way we can spend our lives. The teachers can be changed impossible to possible. There is no profession without teachers. The influence of a good teacher can never be changed. That can never be erased. The teachers can never be retired, and they can never be given.
Thank you. Since it's your first presentation, it's fine. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today's my topic is my teachers. A teacher is a person who plays a very important role in the building the society. As you know, a teacher is a profession of our prophets. Allah sent our prophets as the teacher of the society and the people. Prophets teaches
That's
us.
great. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that innama buistu muallim. I have been sent as a teacher of the society. So that's what she's going to. She's given the reference of, right?
A good teacher acquires the knowledge and the ability. He knows the strength and the weakness of his students, and a good teacher knows how to create the career building and the character building of his students. We are nothing without our teachers. I am standing here due to many efforts of my teachers. I respect my teachers with my heart. A good teacher devotes his heart and soul for the character building and the career building of his students. A good teacher knows how to create a student to stand like a good person in the society. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Great.
Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is my teacher. To begin with a person as teacher who help acquire the knowledge and ability. A good teacher, a real good teacher, standing like lamp guiding in the darkness. A good teacher is know about his students' weakness and strength.
Oh, a good teacher knows about the strengths and weaknesses of his students, right?
Yes. A good teacher, he devotes heart, soul, character building and career building for his students. A good teacher, blessing for society and asset for the nation.
Excellent. Wow, mashallah. Asset for the nation.
Nation. So, and a good teacher wants see for his students successful in life.
Thank you. What?
Hello, good morning. Today is my topic on my teacher. My teacher is expiring dreams. My teacher expiring dreams and my teacher is expiring me dreams, and a good teacher is a blessing for society. And my teacher is like a map who's showing you when you are lost in the sea of knowledge. And teacher is like a compass pointing to you to guide you at right direction and guiding through a maze of the learning. A teacher is a silent hero who makes you shape and touch your soul and touch your soul. Sorry. Okay, my favorite teacher is Sir Saqib, who teaches English, and his method is amazing. And my favorite teacher is Sir Saqib. And
Thank you. When everybody tells you about being that his or her favorite teacher is Sir Saqib, please give a lot of clapping.
In the name of Allah, who is both most beneficent and the most beneficent and the most merciful. Good morning, everyone. Today's my topic is about my teacher. Teacher is a person who helps to acquire knowledge and ability. A teacher should be competent, patient, and nice, and his method of teaching should be good and interesting. A real teacher stands for the student like a lightning lamp in the darkness.
Mashallah, yes.
A good teacher is the assets for the nation and the blessing for the society. A good education can change anyone, but a good teacher can change everything. He devotes his soul and its heart to the character building and for the student. A real teacher knows the weakness and strength of his student. There are so many teachers who teach me a lot of subjects. That's why I am able to stand here. But my favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib, who teaches me English. And his method of teaching is so good. I want to become a teacher like him. May my all teachers
Live on.
live long.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today, my topic, I will talk about the most important topic, my teachers. Teacher is the most teacher is a beautiful gift giving by Allah, because Allah is the creator of the whole world, and teacher is the creator of whole nation. The teacher is a good teacher is a great source of knowledge. A teacher is a great source of knowledge. A good teacher blessing of our society and asset of our nation. If the student gets a good teacher, he'll never be failure in our life. he will never failure in our life. Students, a good teacher, problem solver, and he want to see us successful in our life. My favorite teacher is Sir N.A. Saqib. His teaching method his teaching method is amazing. He is nice and great man. He is a sea of knowledge. I want to see become in my teachers.
Thank you. May Allah bless you.
May
Thank
Allah
you.
bless you.
Start.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hina and my today topic is my teacher. Our teacher is a beautiful gift given by God because God is a creator of the whole world and a teacher is the creator of the whole nation. A teacher is the person who shapes the future of his students. Teachers are the one who can pull out individuals from the darkness of ignorance into the light of knowledge. A good teacher knows the weakness and strength of his students. The teacher is spiritual parents for us. My favorite teacher is Sir N.A. Saqib, who teach me English and his method of teaching.
Teaches me English.
Who teaches me English and his method of teaching is amazing. He explains the subject in a very easy way. He teaches us good habits and moral values also. He wants to see his students' success more than himself. I'm very grateful to having such a teachers. May my all teachers live long. In the end, only the brave choose to teach. Thank you.
Start.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most
Beneficent.
merciful. Beneficent and most merciful. Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about my teacher, and because it's my presentation topic. It's a really very important topic, and the relation of a teacher and a student is like the relation of a father and a son. Actually, he is our spiritual father, and today, with the begin today, I about to tell some highly qualities of a good teacher. A good teacher is a person who helps to acquire knowledge and ability. A good teacher should be patient, kind, competent, and a good teacher should be patient, kind, competent, and his method of teaching should be interesting and simple. And real teacher is stand like a guiding lamp in the darkness. And a good teacher is the blessing for society and the asset for the nation. And a good teacher, he devotes heart and soul to career building and character building to his students. If a student gets a good teacher, he will never be failure in life. And a good teacher is a good solver, not only in study but also the other matter of life. He wants to see us successful in life. And a good teacher knows the weakness and strength of his students. And my favorite teacher, Sir N.A. Saqib, who is the honor and teacher. My favorite teacher, Sir N.A. Saqib, who is the honor and teacher in this institute. And Sir N.A. Saqib has all these qualities which I highlighted. And he teaches us English. And his method of teaching is very amazing. And he sees of knowledge. He's a great man. And I want to become like my teacher. And may he live long. And I wish Allah Almighty would give him more and more success in his life. And thank you.
Excellent. Amazing presentation. Start.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all the praises and thanks to be Allah, the Lord of Al-Amin, the most beneficent, the most merciful, you alone we worship and you alone we ask for help. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Shiza Nasrullah and I am glad to be here with you today. Today is my topic, my teacher. It is a very important topic. Now let's get started. Teachers are those who make children knowledgeable and culture. A teacher is a teacher is a beautiful gift of a God, because God is a creator of a whole world and teacher is a creator of a whole nation. Our teacher is an important creator in the life of students who through knowledge, culture, patience and love give a strong shape of the students' whole life. Our great-
Yes, that's right.
Moreover, the students. Sir,
Yes, that's great. Thank you very much. Very nice. Good presentation. Very nice.
In the name of Allah Almighty, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all the praises and thanks to be Allah and the Lord of the Alameen, the most beneficent, the most merciful, you alone we worship, you alone we ask for help. Hey, good morning everyone. I am Afifa Shabir. I would like to thank you all for your time. I look forward to discussing the most awesome and amazing topic, my teachers. First of all, we say that my teachers are my spiritual parents, and Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha said, they teach me one word, they are my spiritual parents. They not only look after us, they teach us not only look over us, and they teach us every word of the life, They teach us not only the lessons of our books, but they teach us the lessons of our life. And I am very happy because my teachers always stand with me in every stage of life and every trouble. My teacher presents the class is a joyful experience, and she is looking caring and comfortable personality to her students.
Very nice.
A teacher is someone who guided and motivation to the young, both young and old peoples. She is cared fully with creating awareness as well as the faculty who inspire by installing the stories and morals. And we say that my teachers are always guided me, and say that I wish always may Allah Almighty bless my teachers, and if not for my teachers, I would not have my Lord. Thank you, everyone.
Well done. Thank you. Good. That's great. Excellent presentation. Well done.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Good morning. My today topic is my teacher. To begin with the teacher, is a person who helps to acquire knowledge and ability. A teacher should be a kind, patient, and competent. A good teacher is knows about weakness of strengths of his students. My favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib. And he teaches us English, and his method of teaching is very unique and interesting. And my all teachers are good. My all teachers may live long, and thank you very much.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are you doing well. Today the topic of my presentation is my teacher. Teacher is someone who always helps us to acquire knowledge and to improve our abilities. A teacher should be kind, patient, competent with the methods of teaching, and that's clear and engaging. A teacher should be like a doctor that diagnoses the cause of student failure and should be prevented.
Should
be prevented.
Okay.
A true teacher stands as a good guiding light in the darkness. A true teacher is a blessing for the society and asset for our nation. They dedicate their life, their heart, their soul to build the career and character of their student.
Career and characters of the students.
Yes, character of their student. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "The best of you are those who learns Quran and teach."
Oh my God! The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best amongst you is the one who teaches Holy Quran and learns it."
My favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib, who teaches English. His method of teaching are exceptional and making learning enjoyable and easier. He possesses a vast knowledge of sea and truly a great man. May all my teachers live long and continue to guide and inspire us. The impact of good teacher extend far beyond the classroom to making minds and future of countless students. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Teacher is a loud personality, always like author, like a lecturer, like a governor, as well as you can say the teacher in any shape of life. And we concern about today topic is a teacher. Teacher basically learns you your qualities, your abilities, and most ambitious qualities hidden in your own. The personality who judge you in a proper way, and you can also learn a lot of things from a teacher. If you are at the stage at the time in the student, and you are so comfortable when you are listening to your teacher. Actually, who is the teacher who learns something? Teacher can be in shape of your mother, in shape of your father, as well as your grandfather. And you always learn every step by step from your parents. And first of all, your first coaching starts from your parents. And that is the hard core of the mind is your parents. Actually, they are the main mentor, illustrator, and author, basically your forefathers and your parents. And second point is that the teacher who tells you about your basic instinct and basic things which you are aligned. That's why teacher is a role model in your life, and very important and impartial role in your life and any society, and civilized society especially. Our teacher needs a very important play a good role. That's why here is I have a number of teachers, but there is a one of the best teacher, I think, Mr. N.S. Saqib, who is very really enthusiastic and mastermind for coaching the students. I bundle of thanks to Mr. Saqib, who is again coaching us, and we are utilizing our best of us.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Very philosophical presentation. Thought.
Good morning. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Today my presentation topic is the teacher, our teacher. A teacher is a person who educates you, he is a light in the darkness, he is a good teacher should have ability of good communication skill, kind-hearted and soft. So every student could feel free to ask a question. If a teacher has a tough personality and hard, so a student will have hesitate to ask a question from the teacher. So I am here a student of Genius Institute Lahore, and here my favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib, who teach me English, and he brush up my personality of skill of English, and he is a kind-hearted and soft, so he's a unique ability to connect a good communication with every student, so he can know the weakness and strength of every student. So he is a good teacher. He teaches English, and I hope that he lives long and he has a long-lasting impact on our life. And thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Good morning, everyone. My today's presentation's topic is about my teacher. and I would really like to express my gratitude and appreciation for my teacher, who has been a guiding light in my educational journey. So let's begin. My teacher is very knowledgeable and enthusiastic, and he creates a stimulating learning environment. His classes are engaging and thought-provoking, and he explains complex concepts in a clear and concise way. And he always well prepared for their lessons, and he encourages us to think critically and ask questions. And his learning method is very great. His patience and understandings are truly impressive. His sense of humor is keeps us motivated and engaged, and he stays updated on new teaching methods and technologies. And also he provides a constructive feedback to help us improve. And I am very grateful to have a teacher like him, who has a guiding light in my educational journey. And so I reveal my teacher's name is Sir N.A. Saqib from Genius Institute, Lahore. At the end, I want to share a quote with all of you, which is said by our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The quote is, "A person who acquires knowledge and doesn't teach it to others is like a person who withholds.
Teach others.
He doesn't teach it to others. Is like a person who withholds food from those in need." Thanks.
कि वो इंसान जिसके पास इल्म है और उसने इल्म को रोक रखा है, दूसरों को पढ़ा नहीं रहा, वो ऐसे शख्स की मानंद है कि जिसके पास खुराक है, फूड है, और भूखे प्यासे बैठे हुए उनको वो दे नहीं रहा. अल्लाह अकबर. Excellent. Thank you very much.
Hello, good morning. Today's my topic is my teacher. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. To begin with, the teacher is a person who help to acquire knowledge and ability. A real teacher. A good teacher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today of my topic is a teacher. A teacher is a person who acquires knowledge and ability. A teacher should be kind, generous, and a person who has to teach whatever he has. A teacher.
Hello, please stand.
A teacher is a person who
Teacher is a person
who
does what? Have you prepared your presentation? Please guide him. He hasn't prepared? Please tell him the words, the next words.
if a student gets a good teacher, he will never fail in life. A teacher.
You're not ready actually. You haven't prepared. You haven't worked hard really. This is very. I really feel sorry about it. You must work hard. If you want to become successful in life, आप कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं जिंदगी में, इल्म आपकी बुनियाद है. आप कुछ भी कर लो. Become a businessman, no problem. Everybody is not going to do a job. I don't like jobs. Lekin, you will have to work hard to acquire knowledge in order to become a successful businessman, a successful cricketer, a successful footballer, a successful, vendor? Anybody? Thank you.
Hello, good morning. In the name of Allah, the Merciful and Beneficial. Today, my topic is about my teacher. A teacher is a person who help the acquire knowledge and ability. A teacher should be patient, kind, and competent, and his method of teaching should be clear and interesting. A teacher, a teacher like a great person in the world. Uh, if a student get a good teachers, he'll never failure in life. A good teacher is a good blessing for the society and and asset for the nation. My favorite teacher is Sir N.A. Sakab. He teach me English better, and his mathematical teacher is very good. I like to become with my like my teacher.
Assalamu alaikum, good morning. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my today's topic, my teacher. To being with a teacher is a person who helps to acquire knowledge and ability. A teacher should be prepared, competent, and his method of teaching should be simple and interesting. A real teacher stands like a guiding lamp in the darkness. My favorite teacher, Sir N.A. Sakib, who teaches me English, and his method of teaching amazing. He is sea of knowledge and he's a great man. I want to become like my teacher. May my all teachers live long.
Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today's my presentation topic is my teacher. A teacher is a person who is very important for everyone. Teacher brings good education and lays the foundation for the good habits. I have a teacher in my life who is very important for me. He teaches English. He teaches English, and who has full knowledge of his subject. He likes disciplined and well-disciplined students. His method of teaching is very interesting and impressive. He never discourages any students. I have a great regard for his because he always leads the student to the right path. I'm very great for having such a teacher in my life. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Today is my topic about my best teacher. After parents, teacher plays important role in our life, and everywhere in world, in institutional departments like school, universities, and other institutes have their own teachers. All the teachers stand with their students with their last time, and real teacher stands like a bright lamp in the darkness, and a real teacher knows the weakness and strength of the student. And all the teachers are my best teachers, but my Sir N.A. Sakib is my best teacher, and the method of presentation is very nice, and may wish you all teachers are live long, and thank you.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Hello, good morning. Today my topic of presentation is my teacher. To begin with, a teacher is a person who helps in acquiring knowledge and abilities. A teacher should be kind, patient, and his methods of teaching should be simple and interesting. A real teacher stands up as a guiding lamp in the darkness, and our good teacher always want us to be successful. A good teacher is a blessing for the society and asset for the nation. As quoted by Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu anhu, anyone who taught, I am slave of anyone who taught me any single word. My favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib. He is a great man. I want to be like my teacher. All my teachers may live long. The quote, the art of teaching is the art of exploring. Sir, bhul gaya.
New horizons. Thank you very much.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful, good morning. Today's topic is my teacher. A teacher is to begin with, a teacher is a person who helps us to acquire knowledge and ability. A teacher should be kind, competent, patient, and his methods of teaching should be simple and interesting. A real teacher stands like a guiding lamp for his students in the darkness. Good teacher is a blessing for the society and an asset for the nation. He knows the weaknesses and strengths of his students. A good teacher devotes his heart and soul for the character and career building of his students. I have many favorite teachers, but one of my most favorite teachers is Sir N.S. Saqib, who teaches me English. He teaches us English, and especially his methods of teaching are amazing. He is a very competent man, and he is really great. I want to become like him. In the end, I want to say that may all my teachers live long. To end my presentation, I would like to quote that the art of teaching is the art of assisting discoveries. Thank you.
Excellent. Stop.
My dear fellows, hope you are fine and doing well. My presentation topic is my teachers. A teacher is a person who helps to acquire knowledge and ability. A teacher should be kind, and his method of teaching should be simple and interesting. A teacher is a guiding lamp in the darkness. A teacher is a problem solver, and he wants to see us successful in life. My favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib, who teaches me English, and his method of teaching is simple. I want to become like my all teachers. May my all teachers live long. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today my presentation topic is my teacher. I will now begin my presentation. Teacher is a person who helps to acquire knowledge and abilities. A teacher should be patient, kind, and competent. And his method of teaching is simple and interesting. A good teacher, a real teacher should stand like a guiding lamp in the darkness. A good teacher is the blessing for the society and asset for the nation. My favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib, who teach me English, and his method of teaching is so good, so amazing, and he's a sea of knowledge, and he's a great man. May my all teachers live long.
Excellent. Very good.
In the name of Allah the Beneficent, the Merciful, my today topic is my teacher. To being with a teacher To being with a teacher is a person who have to acquire knowledge and qualities. A teacher should be very simple. A teacher his method of teaching should be very simple and interesting. A good teacher, a real teacher, is a blessing for the society and asset for the nation.
Very nice.
My favorite teacher is Sir N.S. Saqib, who teaches us English. His method of teaching is very amazing. He is a great man, is a good person. I want become to like a teacher. May all my teacher live long. Amen. Thanks.
Thank you. Dear friends, there are some poor presenters, poor in terms of vocabulary and grammar, so they can't speak properly. But for learning, you will have to start from somewhere. You will have to start from the base. If you want to speak English, you will have to speak it. So we are giving you an opportunity of speaking English here at this platform, and you are gradually improving, steadily and gradually. You know, slow and steady wins the race. So you are doing your performance, you are doing your job steadily and slowly, but definitely you will reach somewhere. You will reach your destination. Right. So guys and girls, don't lose your heart. Don't get disappointed if you can't perform better at over here. Maybe once, twice or thrice you will feel so uncomfortable, but after a short while you will start speaking fluently and confidently, inshallah. All the best. There are lots of students who are making mistakes, blunders, but we are not actually asking them to recover from all those blunders right now. Maybe it will take time, but they are learning and they are improving. Wish you all the very best of luck. Thank you very much, everybody.